I'm Sharon Davis, Family and Consumer Sciences Educator for homebaking.org. I'd like to welcome you to week 4 of Bake for Family Fun Month. This week we're celebrating baking for others, and there's so many great ideas at the website. Just a couple to highlight right now are the pumpkin apricot cookies. Those cookies will be a blast for kids to do with you because they'll love squashing the cookies flat. They're also very nutritious, but no one has to say that. They're delicious. We also have some savory things like the easy whole wheat pizza, and we have whole wheat bread as well. One great tip is download those tags that are on our website, and then shape the bread in smaller loaves, maybe round loaves. Some people don't really care about having a great big loaf of bread. Maybe what you'll want to do is take your favorite quick bread and shape small loaves in your custard cups, or scoop them into muffin tins, and you'll end up with small mini loaves that you can share with a single person. Maybe they have a special need. Stevia and Sugar Light Blend is one of the homebaking.org featured ingredients that you can use for special needs, along with special ingredients for egg substitutes, flour ingredients, and other special need ingredient substitutions. When you think about it, at the end of the week you hit March, and March is Bake and Take Month. What a perfect time for you to share with someone else something you've baked. March 2nd is Read Across America. So at the end of next week, when you're baking for others, sit down and read a book too, and you'll double the fun. Look for good ideas at homebaking.org or in Baking with Friends. Thank you, and we'll see you at homebaking.org.